adofo mo schedule TV. Said ya make me say oh schedule TV abomodi and subscribe to your channel. Like na send my comment. Name boost me music system no. And then they the swa e Ghana party in the park. Na ye do me nua ba fe bi standard. Wo shepa papa ya yeguwa ahofe enya sem ketwa e fe papa. Tieni me nua ba na e bobo nkomo. Na fe idea onya ya oye na dwen so obeye saa chiriye no. So no ano yo so kra o. Any ahwene ma beat I de to yasne. E fe ye pa. Me nua ba e mo akwa baba Juliju TV so.
Hello. Hi everyone.
Me ba cho din di say.
Very Abigail.
Eba ne say na wo ye wadwen say wo be ye saa chini papa yi funny yeah any a beat.
Simply we just want to promote Ghanaian culture, the beauty of Ghanaian ladies. So this store we are called Ghana Ladies. We do t-shirts with your born names, we do the waist beads, we do bracelets for your hands, we do Can you answer her? Necklaces, whatever you want, we will do it for you. We just want to promote the beauty of Ghanaian culture. Simply, that's all it is. Just to share the love. Ghana for we love ourselves. So we just want to share that beauty. That's Ghana Ladies.
Oh, Ghana Ladies. Oh, Ghana Ladies, I see. Not just and then ma we ni nyina ma ho adwuma nkwa na mo ye
both everyone we cater for all.
Okay, but
that we put the ladies in front.
Ladies first. That's ramete. I am one na wo ye chini ye fun.
We order it.
Okay.
From Ghana.
All right.
So we have people that actually make it for us and then we collect and resell.
Okay, and the beads too.
The beads too, but the hand bracelet we make ourselves. The t-shirt you order it and we will get it done for you. Oh, very simple. Go on the web, check us out on the website. It's very simple. They're beautiful.
So you are the one do these beads?
Yeah, yes, absolutely. All these ones.
Wow.
All for you. All of them. Just place your order and it's all for you and your lovely fans that see how hot it is. Here Ghana in the park is hot. You just need the fan and we will do it for you. Beautifully done.
I see. It's so nice. It's so amazing. Now what's that say we have our business here China?
Oh, not too long. Maybe we decided maybe at the last year or so.
Okay.
We started small, but now it's picking up slowly by God's grace.
Once I walk Ghana party in the park, I see. Juliju TV see there. That means you have a big business now. Yeah. Juliju TV there. Obonya baso peno ano baby ewu. Sanity. Na say obi pebia. Say ebia me pebi. Na me frewa obetimi deliver
try
UK ha
in the UK yes
so baby
so you go to on the website, choose what you want, send us an email, whatever, we will deliver it, send it to you straightforward.
Okay. Ube for address to your email address and answer website now.
So the website is ghanaladies.com. Very simple. ghanaladies.com.
In fact, me do if you make on my website. ghanaladies.com. Wow.
Ghanaladies.com.
Very nice name.
Very Ghana Ladies.
Oh, bless you. In fact, and then money amazing. Okay. I want a telephone number be I order to you and I say
yes, I can give you my telephone number. It's 079 044-93412.
Repeat it again.
079-044-93412.
So be a order na ofrewa. Obetumi ayama na. Okay. And you're not sure what family and friends. Send greetings to your family.
My family and friends, I love you, I love you, love you, love you, love you so much. You guys are our backbone and we'll forever, ever cherish you. So, thank you. And viewers, please subscribe. This is the best channel. Subscribe.
Miss me beside say we are caps so caps. Say be engagement. Now say order for caps.
If you go to the Ghana ladies, wherever you
everything is possible.
We will do for you. Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay. And yenso ye da say. So who be can be
why any nyama?
Me da say. And ye na no ano no.
So the t-shirts we have, you can even see some of the ones the children are wearing.
Okay.
So it's the same one I'm wearing. So we can have your name on it. We can have the logos, whatever you want.
Okay. All right. Okay. Ada for some Matthew, what's this a open t-shirt in Libya? Ebi na shano no. Tibo modi ano ade open bia open odi wo mo. Open bra Shatta di wo mo. Open so ncho Julie di nwuma wo. De open bia omo be ya ma. Enti na no no. Ma me we na bibi o ho biem. Yo, ene na ma do for baba ye. Ene ada for ye ma mo baba. What's it? Hey!